get through then. Nice job. This is a tricky little situation as well down here that we're turning left at, please. But always be careful of this scenario, Ellie, where we've got two separate lights, and sometimes at this particular junction that these lights on the right can be on red and they can be on green.
Yeah.
If the cars in the right hand lane were there on their own and stopped, what do you think that might make the pedestrians think?
Okay.
So what if ours were on green and the pedestrians...
Speed off.
Do you get where I'm coming from?
Yeah,
all right. And expect pedestrians just to walk out and walk over. That's an important point.
Do you know what though? You can't even blame them because it's their property to be honest with you.
And it's our job as drivers, honestly, to read that script and that situation as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. But people just go green light, assume priority, and that's the dangerous part.